So we stopped going to the top. We almost there, but because of the wind, we decided not to continue it. The wind is so strong, and a lot of people went back. So we decided not to go on with reaching the top of the cliff. So we're going back down now, but we give thanks to the Lord. So that's it. Thank you. What can you say, Naling? Naling, what can you say? Masyado siyang steep, tsaka very narrow yung daan.
Yeah.
And very windy, and she
Very
couldn't, she doesn't want to
rocky.
continue
The
it.
road is full
Yeah,
of
it's
rocks.
very dangerous,
So very
and
dangerous for us. So we
people,
decided to
yeah.
not go on the trail. But
So
it's
but
so
we're almost
nice.
there.
Yeah, but we're
We're
almost
about
there.
we're about 0.2 miles, 0.1, but
Yeah.
it's really
So windy.
windy, very windy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Strong winds.
All right. See you downhill.
Okay.
Thank you.